Okay, folks, so here we are. We are in EbscoHost, which is another database that you have access to through Mrs. Bond's website. All you have to do is, again, through BSHS, through our regular website and going to the library. And then under that databases tabs where we access Blooms, you can access EBSCO. The only difference is the password for EBSCO, and I'm going to tell you that right now. The username is BSHS Library, okay, and the password is B$H$170007, okay, and that will give you this site right here. Okay, it looks like this. So what you're going to do is then you're going to scroll down to where it says Literary Reference Center. That's specifically designed for analysis. And again, this is a database, and you can use any of the Literary Reference Center that you want. Okay, and it's very, very similar, okay, to what we saw in the past, okay? So all you're going to do is you might want to just type in Beowulf. Fine, okay, you can do that. And then hit search, obviously. And just like a Google search, it's going to yield certain concepts, hopefully, if my internet is happy. Sometimes it's sad. I don't know why, but it is. Probably because I'm doing too much riffraff on it right now. But that's the way the crumble, folks. And sometimes you just have to wait it. As usual, good things come to those who wait. So here we are. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now, you can do a lot of different things out of here, but you have to remember, especially in EBSCO, I would say this is true, that it's not going to compartmentalize things like Google does. So Google will go and say and organize everything based on the word that you type in, how many times it's said. This does not do that. So you may want to or may need to sift through some things. But you've got, right here, for example, The Villain in Beowulf Reconsidered, okay? If you go on the left side of the screen, you'll see publication date, okay, and you'll see source types. And you can look through all of them, okay, or you can try to narrow your search depending on how many pieces it yields, okay? So that's an aspect. The other thing you can do is click on advanced search, okay, and that's going to give you a couple extra tabs and ideas here. So maybe you say Beowulf and monsters in there in the advanced search. And then also down here, I would limit your results to full text, okay, and scholarly journals. And let's see what that may yield for us. Okay, and so now we've kind of limited our sources. There's 9 here, the theme and structure, okay, or the monster are there, where are the critics, okay, tracking Grendel, the uncanny and Beowulf. So all these things, again, sometimes you have to broaden the search, sometimes you have to be a little more specific in your search, but the search is the key to kind of yielding the most. And again, if you have a hard time, you need just to email me and I will help you out, or send me a comment over on Google Classroom and I can help you out with that. For our next installment of excitement, I'll talk to you about creating a thesis statement. Woo woo! Thank you much for tuning in to this time of your life.